There are moments that define an industry, moments when everything changes. For automotive, that moment is now, and Visteon isn't just witnessing this transformation. We're engineering it. Yesterday's automotive industry was built on mechanical precision. Today's demands something more: intelligence that learns, adapts, and evolves. The question isn't whether AI will transform automotive, it's who will lead that transformation. The answer is being written here, at Visteon's Innovation Center in Portugal. Watch transformation in action. Our display bonding processes once required constant human oversight, resulting in variability and inefficiency. Today, AI algorithms monitor, predict, and optimize in real time, turning manufacturing into a learning system. This isn't automation, it's evolution. Every cycle teaches the system. Every decision makes it smarter. Every product becomes better than the last. But innovation doesn't happen in isolation. We've established a dedicated AI validation team that captures and analyzes breakthrough ideas from our plants worldwide. The response has been extraordinary. In just a few weeks, over 50 AI-driven innovations have been submitted from our global teams. This isn't just participation, it's proof that AI thinking has become our global language. Here's what happens when intelligence compounds. Each AI enhancement doesn't just improve one process. It creates cascading improvements across our entire operation. Efficiency gains multiply. Quality improvements accelerate. Innovation cycles compress. The return on our AI investments is already measurable. Enhanced production efficiency, reduced error rates, accelerated time to market. But more importantly, we're building competitive advantages that will define Visteon's leadership for decades to come. The vehicles of the future won't simply transport people. They'll understand them, anticipate their needs, adapt to their preferences, learn from their behaviors. The intelligence we're building into our processes today becomes the intelligence that defines automotive experiences tomorrow. This is Visteon's defining moment. While others talk about AI's potential, we're proving its power. While competitors catch up to today's standards, we're setting tomorrow's benchmarks. The automotive industry is being rewritten. The question isn't whether to invest in this transformation. It's how boldly to lead it. We already made our choice.